How to charge your Nintendo Switch 2. So in this video, I'll be showing you two different methods that you can use to go and charge up your Switch 2. Now, you need to make sure you have the USB-C cable along with the AC adapter. So this is what the charger looks like, and it should come included with your purchase of the Switch. Now what we need to do is make sure the USB-C cable is plugged in to the AC adapter, and then you can just plug in the AC adapter to any wall socket. Now the other end of the USB-C cable, you can either plug this in directly to the Switch 2 itself. So there's actually two different USB-C ports. We have one on the bottom of the Switch here, and there's also another USB-C port at the top of the Switch, so if one of them isn't working, you can always try using the other one. Now you can charge the Switch when it's both turned off and also turned on, and you'll see the battery icon in the top right hand side, and this will indicate whether the device is charging or not. Now the second method you can use to go and charge up your Switch is by using the dock itself. So this is what the dock looks like, and the first thing you need to do is just go and remove the back cover from the dock like this, and what you need to do is go and plug that same USB-C cable. Instead of plugging it directly into the Switch itself, we're going to plug this into the AC adapter port at the top of this dock. Now once you've connected the USB-C cable, we can then go and dock the Nintendo Switch 2. So it should just slot down the middle here, and make sure the screen is facing the same way as the Nintendo Switch 2 logo, and you may just need to wiggle it around slightly to make sure it's firmly connected to the port. Now once everything's plugged in and your Nintendo Switch is docked, then that's the second way you can go and charge up your Switch. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.